the most venomous snake on Earth. According to the World Health Organization, there are over 600 venomous snake species on Earth, but only about 200 can cause serious harm to humans. Let us discuss it in this video. If you haven't already a subscriber of our channel, please subscribe by clicking the button below. Thank you so much. There are several ways to define how venomous a snake is, so understanding the criteria used for any list is absolutely essential. Some lists of the most dangerous snakes in the world consider the lethal dose of venom required by a snake to kill a mouse or person, while others consider how many mice or humans one bite from a snake would kill. Other lists are more interested in the deadliest snakes, so consider how many humans are killed by the snake each year, or the percentage of humans killed by a snake bite if left untreated. In reality, all of these factors should be considered when looking at the most venomous snakes, so we list 11 of the world's most venomous snakes in this video, along with some information about each species. 1. Inland Taipan. The inland taipan is appropriately known as the fierce snake, as it is widely regarded as the world's most venomous snake. Its paralyzing venom contains taipoxin, a combination of neurotoxins, procoagulants, and myotoxins that causes hemorrhaging in blood vessels and muscle tissues and inhibits breathing. Its bite is lethal in more than 80% of untreated cases and can kill a human in less than an hour. Without a doubt, the inland taipan is the most dangerous snake for humans and one of the deadliest animals on the planet. 2. Eastern brown snake. Except for dense forests, the solitary and fast-moving eastern brown snake is native to eastern and central Australia and southern New Guinea. They can grow to be up to 2 meters long, with a slim build and no distinction between the head and neck. Although it is known as the eastern brown snake, it comes in a variety of colors ranging from pale brown to black and has a creamy yellow underside. It is the world's second most venomous land snake, accounting for roughly 60% of snakebite deaths in Australia. The snake's head rises high off the ground in a full display, coiling into a S shape to attack, often resulting in lethal bites to the victim's upper thigh. The main effects of the venoms are on the circulatory system, causing hemorrhaging, cardiovascular collapse, and cardiac arrest. 3. Coastal Taipan. The coastal taipan is found along the coasts of northern and eastern Australia, as well as the nearby island of New Guinea. Its venom is nearly identical to that of the inland taipan, which is considered the most venomous snake in the world. The coastal taipan has a long and narrow head similar to the black mamba and a slender body that ranges in color from light olive to black. When it spots its prey, the snake freezes and then leaps forward, making several quick bites. It then lets go of the prey and waits for the venom to take effect before devouring it. Make no mistake, this is one of the most dangerous snakes on the planet. 4. King Cobra. The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake, reaching lengths of up to 5.5 meters. The species primarily inhabits forested areas in Asia, ranging from India to Southeast Asia, including the Philippines and Indonesia. The king cobra is an apex predator that deserves to be high on this list of venomous snakes, with a 50% fatality rate for untreated human bites. A king cobra bite contains enough venom in a single bite to kill an elephant in a matter of hours. 5. Black Mamba. The black mamba is one of 2 snakes on this list that live in Africa, and it uses its speed to catch prey and inject highly toxic venom. Although it is frequently regarded as the fastest snake in the world, it is actually beaten into second place by the sidewinder. The black mamba is a slender, agile snake that can reach speeds of up to 19 kilometers per hour in short bursts on open ground. It can grow up to 4 meters long. The black mamba, like the sidewinder, uses lateral undulation to gain momentum by moving in a S shape and pushing off objects in its path. The black mamba's combination of speed, venom, and aggressive attitude is what makes it such a feared snake throughout Africa and, indeed, places it on the list of most dangerous animals in Africa. Mambas, like all snakes, prefer to avoid confrontation with humans, but if cornered, they will gladly stand their ground and fight. 6. Barba Amarilla. These Central and South American snakes are distinguished by their flattened heads that are distinct from the rest of their bodies. Females are the thickest and longest of the species, reaching up to 1.8 meters in length, with larger heads and fangs. Barba amarillis are irritable and quick-moving creatures with a reputation for being unpredictable. Their venom is necrotizing, excruciatingly painful, and frequently fatal. Combine this with the Barba amarilla's ability to project nearly 2 meters and bite with its head high above the ground, and it's easy to see why it's one of the deadliest venomous snakes. 7. Banded Krite. The banded Krite is a highly venomous cousin of the cobra that can be found throughout the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. This Krite, which can grow to be over 2 meters long, is easily identified by its bright yellow and black crossbands and marked vertebral ridge. It's a shy, nocturnal snake that doesn't bite people on purpose, but when it does, its venom can cause respiratory failure and potentially suffocation. The mortality rate for untreated bites is estimated to be around 10%. 8. Boomslang. The boomslang is a venomous snake native to sub-Saharan Africa that can grow to be 1.6 meters long and has a distinctive appearance, with oversized eyes in an egg-shaped head. Its name translates to tree snake in Afrikaans, and it hunts by imitating a branch by extending the forward part of its body motionless from a tree. It has a highly potent venom that prevents blood coagulation and causes internal and external bleeding, ultimately killing the victim. When biting, the venom is delivered through large fangs located in the back of the jaw, which can open to 170 degrees. The boomslang is a fearful snake, inflating its neck and striking in a S shape, but generally only biting humans when they attempt to handle, catch, or kill it. 9. Sawscaled Viper. The Sawscaled Viper is found in parts of India and the Middle East, and it is the snake that kills the most people each year. Indeed, many scientists believe it is responsible for more human deaths than all other snake species combined, making it one of the world's most dangerous animals for humans. While the Sawscaled Viper's venom is lethal in less than 10% of untreated victims, the species is frequently found in densely populated areas, and its aggressiveness means it bites early and frequently. 10. Tiger snake. Tiger snakes are only found in southern Australia and its coastal islands, including Tasmania. Tiger snakes vary greatly in size and color, from light yellow to jet black, but they are usually banded, hence the name. They all share a potent cocktail of neurotoxins, coagulants, hemolysins, and myotoxins that they inject into their victims. Tiger snake bites, which are fatal to humans if untreated, account for an estimated 17% of Australian snakebite victims. 11. Faint-banded sea snake. The Indian Ocean to the Gulf of Thailand and the seas around northern Australia are all home to the faint-banded sea snake. Adults can grow to be about 1 meter long, with a thin yellowish body and dark green crossbands. The species is shy, and bites usually occur only on fishermen handling nets, which is a good thing, because the faint-banded sea snake is extremely venomous, measuring 0.24 milligrams per kilogram when administered intramuscularly to mice. What is the difference between the most poisonous and most venomous snakes? People frequently talk about the most poisonous snake in the world, but it's important to distinguish between the terms poisonous and venomous. The term venomous refers to any living thing that bites or stings in order to inject its toxins. Poisonous refers to any living thing that releases toxins when consumed. Because almost all snakes transfer their toxins via bite, they are venomous rather than poisonous. One exception to this rule is the small garter snake, which has a harmless bite but is toxic to eat because it absorbs and stores the toxins of the newts and salamanders it preys on. This makes the garter snake the most poisonous snake. Thank you for watching, my friends. I hope you learned something from this video. Remember to subscribe by clicking the red button below. See you again in my next video.